Guys, what's up? Muscle here, and in this tutorial I'm going to show you how to add functionalities to your AI assistant. And in my previous video we talked how to make the AI speak and take the voice inputs. So before moving on, I will need to change something in our code. So on line 37, I'll remove this doubt equals none, and after speak out I'll have return none. And on line 29, after microphone, we need to have a parenthesis. So now we are good to go. So first we'll create a main loop. So main loop is something that runs when the command is executed, and it will take the inputs from the user and give us the outputs. So for that I need to create a variable one, and I'm going to set it to true. Then I'm going to create a while loop and write while run. Over here I'll write doubt equals orders dot lower. So what it will do is that it will call the orders function and then change everything inside it to lowercase. So for example, if I speak YouTube, so Y will be capital. So what it will do is that it will change the capital Y into small case y. Now I'll write if Wikipedia in doubt, then it should for speak out. Okay, so and then I'll write doubt equals doubt dot replace. I'll replace it with Wikipedia, comma, a double quote. Then I'll write result, create a variable result, and call the Wikipedia module which we imported over here, and dot summary, and then I'll pass doubt and sentences equals, so I'm giving it 2 because I only want 2 sentences. You can give as many sentences as you want. You can give it 2, 5, 10, 15, as many you want, but for now I'll take it as 2. Then we'll print the result and speak it out. Okay, so for now I guess it's good. So let's try to run our code.
Good afternoon. Hello, I'm Alexis. What I can do for you?
Elon Musk according to Wikipedia.
Okay, sir. Elon Reed Musk, Elon, born June 28, 1971, is a business magnate, industrial designer, and engineer. He is the founder, CEO, CTO, and chief designer of SpaceX, early investor, CEO, and product architect of Tesla Incorporated, founder of The Boring Company, co-founder of Neuralink, and co-founder and initial co-chairman of OpenAI. A centi-billionaire, Musk is one of the richest people in the world. Musk was born to a Canadian mother and South African father and raised in Pretoria, South Africa.
So it gave us the output. And if you have a slow internet connection, it may take a while. So now let's move on. The other functionality I like to add will be Google. So I'll write Google in doubt. Now over here I'll call the web browser module which we imported at the beginning dot open, and over here we need to pass the URL. Now I'll just copy this URL and paste it over here. So we got the URL for the google.com. Let's try it out. So let's run it.
Good afternoon. Hello, I'm Alexis. What I can do for you?
Open Google. Okay, so it opened Google for us. That's good. So the other functionality I like to add will be Stack Overflow. So let's Stack Overflow and doubt web browser dot open https colon slash slash www dot stackoverflow dot com. So let's run our code.
Good afternoon. Hello, I'm Alexis. What I can do for you?
Open Stack Overflow. Okay, so as you can see, it opens Stack Overflow for us. Now, the other functionality I'd like to add will be if I say exit, it should exit the program. So let's do it. So elif exit in doubt, then first let's speak out. What should we speak out? Let it be Pisa, and then run equals false. So let's try it out.
Good afternoon. Hello, I'm Alexis. What I can do for you?
Exit.
Bye, sir.
Okay, so it exited the program. That's good. Yeah, so AI assistant is working great. So this is what I'll add to my AI assistant. You can develop more or search for more such modules in the documentations. But for now, I'll add only this much. Hope you enjoyed. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe my channel. Bye bye.